Okay, I'm gonna be firstly taking full body mobility exercises, and after that I'm gonna take some full body fitness workout, which is not gonna be very hard, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's start right now, and please please put in the comment section with any questions that you have. But I am okay. I'm gonna start now. How do I switch off? Turn off comment. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start with mobility. Okay. Can you see me? Can everybody see me? Okay, I'm gonna start with some hip mobility first. So take any cushioning or anything that you want to protect your knee, and so it's basically a lunge, but you're gonna do mobility. So first is gonna be go forward and go fully backward, go forward, backward, forward, backward. So you're going to do 6 reps of each. Okay, and once you're done with one side, you're going to turn and do the other side. So go back forward, fully extend your hip, and then go back. So forward and backward. 6 reps. Okay, I hope everybody is done with this one. Do you all want me to come a little closer to the camera so that you can see properly? Please write it down in the comment section. Should I come a little closer? Okay. Okay, now the next one is same thing. Put your knee on a cushion, put your other leg on the side, toes facing the sky. Okay? And you're going to put your hip down and up, down and up, down and up, and fully go behind. Okay? Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and in your hip. And you're going to do 6 reps of this too. But make sure your toes are facing up, okay? And the other side. Same thing. Go down and go back. Go down and go back. Go down. Okay, perfect. Okay. So now you don't need a cushion. You're going to take a pillow or something like that, and you're going to lie down on one side. Take it under your head. Fold both your knees and then do this. So basically it's good for basketball players. So you're going to do this. Push your wrist down and make sure your elbows and your shoulder are not lifted up. So you're going to put it down and up. 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 So this is going to be 6 again. Then now you're going to lift one leg, fold it, put it down, both hands straight, and make sure you do not lift your knee up. Okay, so you're going to do this. Try to touch the floor behind your back and back. So do this, try to look behind and then back. Same thing again, 6 times each. Make sure you feel the stretch in your back, okay, the lower back basically. Now you're going to do the other side. Okay, so first is your shoulder mobility. Make sure your shoulder and your elbow is not lifted up, and whatever you're taking, maybe a bolster or a pillow or कुछ भी, तकिया लो, कुछ भी लो, blanket fold करके लो, कुछ भी चलेगा, पर make sure your elbow is touching the thing that you're putting down, like down your head. So do this. So are you, if you all can realize, my right side has less mobility because I play with my right hand, I shoot with my right hand. So whoever is a basketball player, if she's a righty or a lefty, your one side is always going to be very stiff. So make sure you put more focus on that side. Now next is same thing, lift, fold and put. Make sure it's a 90-degree angle happening with your leg. Put both of your hands straight, back and front. Same thing, back. See if my leg is lifting up, which is not. Go as far as you can, even if you don't touch the floor, it's okay. Go as far as you can and then back. Go as far as you can and then back. Same thing 6 times and then back. Okay, now, okay, I'm gonna try coming closer. Okay, so now you're gonna do this. I'm gonna go sideways so that you all can see. So you're gonna take one hand, try to touch your toe and then back. Touch your toe and then back. Touch and back. Touch and back. 6, both sides. Touch. Make sure you feel the stretch in your calves and your hamstrings and your lower back. Okay? Is everybody doing this? Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're just gonna do slightly the ankle mobility. Just simple, keep doing this. Try to touch your heel on the floor. Do it rigorously so that your mobility is better. I'm already warmed up because of the mobility exercises, and now we're going to start with the actual workout. See the sweat. Does anyone have any questions so far? Okay, I have some. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're going to start with the actual exercise. Okay, so for starters, we're just going to run on the spot. Okay, run on the spot. We're just going to do all exercises for 30 seconds. Run on the spot. Perfect. You're doing great. Try to do it on your toes and not your heels. Try to do it on your toes so that your calves start burning up. Okay? Good job. Okay, now we're going to do some free squats. Take shoulder width in your distance in your feet, and you're going to go fully down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Make sure your knees don't go forward. Sit behind like you're sitting on a chair. बैठना है जैसे आप कुर्सी पे बैठते हो, ठीक है? आगे नहीं बैठना बिल्कुल भी. You're not going to do this, you're not going to do that, okay? So you're just going to go sit, full and down. Sit and down. Okay, let's do it. Come on, let's go. 30 seconds. Feel those thighs burning up. Come on, let's go. $15 seconds more. Let's go. Okay. Again, some running on the spot. Spot running. Loosen up. Loosen up. You can dance if you want to. You can do whatever you want to. Okay. So now we're gonna do some push-ups. But if you can't do normal push-ups, you can do the knee ones. I'm gonna show you that also. So take something under your knees and you're gonna go fully down. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds, okay? So you're gonna go down and up. So basically this. Down, up, down, up. Keep your hip high, okay? Don't let your hip fall. So down, up, down, up, down, up. And obviously, these are the knee ones. The ones you who can do in the normal push-ups is fine. You also do that. And okay. Yes, Navpreet, that is the deep squats. Basically, those are the normal squats. What we do generally are the half squats. Basically, this is half squats, and this is full squats. That's the only difference. Okay, so now we're gonna do 10 push-ups, okay? Okay. We're gonna do normal 10 push-ups and you're gonna be done with the push-ups. Let's go. Are you guys done with the 10 push-ups? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. I hope you all are done with the 10 push-ups. Okay. Now you all are going to do some spot running. Loosen up. Loosen up your hands. You all are doing great. Okay. Now you all are going to do squat jumps. So what we did earlier was just squats. Now you're going to do squat jumps. Okay, so it's basically there's a variation in that who can't do the fast ones, you can do the slow ones. So jump, squat, then walk. Jump, squat, then walk. Jump, squat, and walk. So you're going to do 10 of those. Is everybody with me? Okay, please don't send me requests, guys. I cannot accept them right now. But I will talk to you all later. Okay. So you're gonna do. Who can do the fast ones? Please do the fast ones. Who can't do them? It's fine. You can do the slow ones as well. Okay. So let's go. 10. Squat. 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 Jump. 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 And jump. Perfect, perfect. Let's go, girls. Guys, let's go. Okay. Again, some normal jogging. Okay. So now, we're gonna do some basketball shuffling, okay? Okay. We don't have a lot of space because there's rain and there's a pandemic going on, but you can always do this at home. Okay. So now you're gonna do one on the right side and one on the left side, okay? And you're gonna do it for 30 seconds. So this and back. So it's gonna be fast. Try to do this, okay? This is very useful for basketball players. So, you're going to do this. 1, back, and then walk, and then back. Same thing, you're going to do it 5 more times. Back. Again. Lovely. Good one, guys. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. Last one. Back. I hope you are able to do this. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay. Now, you're going to do some high knee. Okay. With some, so basically you're going to do this. Normal high knee, but in the middle you're going to do this, okay? So you're going to hop on one leg. And then again high knee. Then you have hop on one leg. Okay? Are you all with me? You all can have water, you all can have any juice that you need. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you Shrishti, thank you Pranay. Please do it with me so that you all are fit and healthy at home. You all don't have to play basketball. Okay, okay. So, high knee and then high knee, again, high knee, then again, okay. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. Okay, now you all can drink water, you all can take a breather. And when you all are taking a breather, you all can ask any questions that you all want to. Thank you, Pranay. Thank you. I'm not very sure about that. I don't believe you right now, but I'm glad you're doing it. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now you all are going to do, there's another one. So basically, I learned this from the Japanese team. I didn't learn it in India. I learned it from the Japanese team because I believe that they're the fastest basketball team in Asia. So this is what they do when they are defending. So what we usually do is we take a normal step to defend. So basically, say that there's a basketball coming, like there's a man coming with a basketball, and this is how they try to defend them. But the Japanese team don't do this. So they basically take a cross step because that's faster. So this is what we're going to do. So instead of this, we're going to do this. Okay? So we're going to take a cross step and back. So this is faster. As you all can see, it's much easier and it's much faster to defend in basketball or any sport that Gopal, I am I think yeah, let's go. Dancing chahiye na? Okay, theek hai, chalo, let's see if anybody wants to dance with me, but let's go. Okay, so we're gonna take a cross step and cross step back. Walk, cross step and cross step back. Walk, cross step back. Walk, cross step and cross step back. Are you all able to do it? Please implement this in your basketball routines because I recently learned this about 2 years ago and I've become a much better defender overall. So I please implement this in your basketball defending skills. So yeah, okay. Now we're going to do some normal lunges to relax. Okay, if you are tired, take a sip of water. And okay, so we're just going to do normal lunges. But do not let your knee go in front of your toe. So try to go down and don't try to do this. Okay, try to go down. So down, back, down, back, down, back. Let's go, do it with me guys, come on. Let's go. Come on. I almost hit my knee on the floor. Please don't do that. Okay. Good job, guys. Take a breather. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you, guys. Okay. Please don't focus on anything else. Just try to have fun with me. Okay. Now we're gonna do skating. Okay, without the roller skates, obviously. So you're gonna just skate and hold, skate and hold, skate and hold, skate and hold. So this is basically to improve your one leg strength as well as your balance. This is extremely important even while walking, not just sports, even while walking, because we walk with one leg, right, at once. So this is very important. You need to have stability and you need to have balance. Okay, so yeah, basically skate and balance. Okay, skate and balance. Even if you are trying to feel like, even if you are falling, try to shift your focus and then balance. Okay, yeah, let's go. Balance, balance. You all will realize that once you start balancing, your knee will go haywire. Okay, this is gonna happen, but try to basically push your knee outside, not inside, because this is where all the injuries happen. Okay, so once you're skating, try not to do this, but push it outside. Okay, even if you all can't balance, do this and push it outside, push it outside, push it outside. Okay, let's go 5 more times. Push it outside, push it outside. Okay, how is everybody doing? Okay, guys, just have fun. Leave the negativity out of this. Okay, should I just switch off the comment section so that nobody's getting irritated because of this? Please just give me a thumbs up if you all want me to leave it on or leave it off, whatever. Okay, now we're just going to try and relax our body. We're just going to do a little bit of jumping jacks. You just jump, 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 jump. Let's go. Try to improve your endurance. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 15 more seconds. Okay, 5 more. Okay, perfect, perfect. Now, basically, this was the workout. Now we're going to do a little bit of core strengthening. Okay, so first of all, we're going to try to do a little bit of rollouts. So, okay, if people can't do the normal ones, please use a mat and you use some pushes or something for your knees. So this is what we're going to do, okay? So you're going to walk, so you're going to stand basically, use your flexibility, but I don't have any. Okay, you're going to walk, hold, engage your core, and then back, stand. Then again, engage your core, and then back. Okay, so I am not very flexible, but whoever is very flexible, please keep your legs straight, okay, and then walk basically. People who can't do it, use cushions, sit on your knees, roll and back. But this is a much easier version, so try to do it faster, try to increase your speed. So this is how you go about it, okay? So walk, back, walk, back, walk, back. But make sure that you all don't let your hips go down, because this is where all the back injuries happen. Okay? Keep your core bent extremely strong and keep it straight. Okay? Don't do this or don't do that. Keep it straight in one line. Okay? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Are you doing it? Okay. Thank you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Roll out and back. Stand. Roll out and back. Stand. Roll out and back. Stand. 2 more times. 1 more time. Perfect, guys. So this is a very important drill. It engages all the muscles in your body, including your legs, your hands, your core. For a basketball player or for any athlete, you need a lot of strength in your core. You need to have a very strong core. So make sure you all do this every day, at least two sets of 10 or something like that. Okay? Okay. Now, okay. So this is the tarmac decathlon ball, and I'm going to do a little bit of plank positions, holds on the ball. If nobody has a ball, it's okay. You all can just do a normal plank. Okay, like a normal forearm plank. Okay. So what we're going to do is hold on the ball. Okay, don't do this. Don't do this. Make sure your core is extremely tight. Okay. If you all can't do this, take a pillow, put it under your knees, and do it with the ball. Okay. But I'm going to do it without the pillow. So let's go. 30 seconds. Wall in front of you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is literally the second last exercise that you are doing today. 10 more seconds, let's go. Okay, perfect, guys. So, okay, now you need last one. This is called the mountain climbers, and this is basically like the suicide of, the core workouts that we usually do. Okay, you all are nearing the end. There's just 2 more minutes left, and we're going to do the last exercise. Okay, let's go. So this is called the mountain climbers. It's obvious in the name why it's called the mountain climbers. So this is now what you're going to be doing. So this, who can't do it, just normally walk. Okay? Is that okay, guys? Perfect. Thank you, Pranav. Yes, mom. Exhausted. Okay. The last set. Let's go. So, that was it. Beautiful, guys. I hope you all are very tired.